Hello there, it's Patricia from Pinky's World, and I've just received my order. I ordered one sweet from the new online only items that are available from March, and I just wanted to show you this one. I was really excited about getting it. I haven't had a good coffee set in ages, and I was excited to get this one. So of course with my spend, because I ordered the sweet, I spent over £45, so I got to choose one free set, and I went with Beside Me, which is really handy for Father's Day or male birthdays from kids and whatever. It's a nice wee set, and it's even nicer when you get it for free. So the set I have gone for is called Latte Love, and you get Latte Love dies to go with it. Nice cups, nice inky, what am I trying to say here, sort of inky circles you can put in, like you've decorated the top of your cup and stuff, and you get your coffee pot to cut out, and there's just loads of it. I really have to investigate it myself. We spoon and everything, so I'm really happy about it. Hello there, let's catch up. Thanks so much. This one's on me, and you're the best part of my day. And even some coffee spills and beans, which will all cut out. So pretty happy with that, and I bought the matching ribbon, polka dot trim you call it. It's not even ribbon, it's a trim. That's really nice, isn't it? Pretty good. So I'll give some of that away with shoppers next month to give you a wee sample of it. And these are the lovely wee adhesive backed swirl dots, which are all coffee coloured as well. And the papers that I want to show you, I have 6 of them pulled out. It's called a little latte, 12 papers, and there's 12 sheets in it. So lovely coffee swirls, great for die cutting. On the other side is the lovely coffee beans. What colours is in this? Just wait till I tell you. It'll go with Calypso Coral, Early Espresso, Lemon Lolly, Lost Lagoon, Pecan Pie, and Petal Pink. So pretty good. So that's one of the sheets. The other one with the nice Petal Pink colours going through it. And Pecan Pie probably. Very nice. This one has the splats, the coffee spillages, and a lovely stripe on the other side. Coffee cups, tops of the pots, whoops, and coffee cups and spoons. And then this one is the coffee beans and a lovely check. I did look at that. No, I didn't. So again, you can cut these out. I'm sure those dies would fit that, wouldn't it? Yeah, I would reckon so. They would fit that all right. Perfect. And the other side of that is the coffee stains. So 2 of each of those. I think there's 12 in that pack, which is brilliant. I'll have good fun with that. So I just thought I'd share it. These will be available to you in March. Online only, so be sure and check out all the online stuff. Sometimes we forget about it. I know I do. Just go in and click online. God, I can't even remember, but it's online something, specials or whatever, and you'll see what's on offer there. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Bye.